again. Recently our NutriBullet died, so we needed to get a new blender. Now we don't use it for much, just smoothies and frappes, drinks really. So we didn't want to spend a lot of money. In Aldi they had the Ambiano personal blender. So we got that. I think it was about $39. In the box you get the blender attachment, the machine itself, 2 cups, a 600ml and an 800ml, a couple of travel lids or zipper lids, and 1 storage lid. The seals I found on these are really good. It does say that you're not to use it for anything hot, even though it does say on the box that you could use it for soup. But in the book it stresses in a few instances that you're not to use anything hot in this blender. That's fine with us, we only use it for drinks. So first of all, I'll do a frappe, and then I want to try out a recipe I've been looking to try of frozen banana chocolate ice cream. I'm not sure how it'll do with that because I found unless you have a lot of fluid in it, it does struggle. And I'll show you how it works. So for a chocolate frappe, I've got about 100 ml of milk. I've half filled the cup with ice cubes and probably about a tablespoon of drinking chocolate powder. Now it does say in the book that you also get with the box, there are no recipes in the book, but it does say that you can either for less than 1 minute hold the cup down onto the device, or you can clip it in if you need to run it for less than 3 minutes. So I'll just demonstrate that. This is just holding it down. So that doesn't quite get it all mixed. So I'm going to clip it in. You just push it down and turn it. It's quite icy. I probably didn't put enough milk in, but it ends up lovely and thick. Nice thick frappe. Okay, the other recipe I wanted to try, and you've got to make sure your lid's on securely, nothing worse than it starting to spin and everything flies out all over the place, is this banana chocolate ice cream. So I have 2 frozen bananas in there, 1/4 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. So let's see how the Aldi Ambiano blender copes with that. I think it's too thick for it. We'll give it a shake and try again. Oh, it's really struggling with this. So I think you can't use it as a blender to make ice cream, unfortunately. It does have a really good seal though. Right, let's try once more. So I think for the Aldi Ambiano personal blender, if you just want to do drinks, that's fine. I have also made juice in it before using some fruit, ice and water, filtered water. So it worked fine for that. But I think anything thicker, it would struggle with. It needs more fluid in it. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. If any of you are looking at the Aldi blender, all the best. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.